Guys, TYSM for the butt, please. Keep this sound dead now. Crying. You know? Guys, TYSM for this, but please keep this sound dead now. Cry. What does TYSM mean? Like, what? Like, I don't even know what you want me to do. Like, why are you gonna kill the sound? I'm sure the sound is good, but I don't know what you want me to do, This TYSM is confusing me. Like, guys, TSYM for this, but please keep this sound dead now, please. Cry. But I mean, if you want me to keep the sound dead, I'll keep it dead. I just don't know what else you want me to do. I'm confused.